Email templates allow you to create consistent, professional-looking emails while saving time on repetitive design work. You gain access to advanced template options and editing capabilities, making it easier to customize your email content to match your brand and campaign goals. This guide will walk you through the process of creating, editing, and saving an email template using the template option. In the navigation bar, click on Templates to create or use pre-made ones. Click the plus new button to create a new template. Enter the template name field in the form. Click Next to proceed. In the template selection area, select a template. In the template email editor, click on Plain Text Editor. In the Plain Text Editor, add your template HTML code in the highlighted area. Once done, at the bottom of the page, click on the Save button. By following these steps, you can easily design, customize, and save templates that are ready to use across your email campaigns.